This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Janine Brooks LLC. Double-wide mobile home rear to find with 3-bedroom and 2 bathrooms located in Holiday Park. 55+ maintenance-free gated community. You won't believe the feeling of space and comfort in this incredible home, offering center island kitchen, living and family room, dining room with sliding doors leading out to the backyard area, and 19-foot enclosed Florida room. All bedrooms have mirrored closet doors and ceiling fans. Home has lots of storage space with 16-foot utility room, workbench, washer dryer, wet sink, storage shelving and more. Covered carport included. Enjoy the Florida sunshine in your own private patio with flowering shrubs, palm trees and tropical plants all around the backyard. Perfect setting for barbecues and entertaining guests. Home backs up to a peaceful private wooded landscaped area. Holiday Park amenities are plenty. If you like swimming, tennis, bocce, it's all right here. RV storage on site. Home is minutes to shopping, churches and just a 20-minute drive to the Gulf beaches. Won't last. For more information, review the details.